So we've got this lovely M135I in. It was actually leaking oil from the cam cover onto the exhaust manifold. So we've got a new cam cover. This is genuine BMW. This is what £400 gets you. I'm told these warp, and that's what causes the oil leak. And I've looked online, and it is true apparently. So we're changing the cam cover rather than just the gasket. Looks like quite an involved job. Book time was about 2.5 to 3 hours. So first things first, we've got to get the fuel rail off. Probably get the coil packs out, just to check there's no oil in them. Doesn't look like they've got to come out completely, but the wiring loop's got to come off. The PCV system, and I think this here is the Vanos unit, because we've got 2 new bolts. They've got to be replaced apparently because they're stretch bolts, so we've got 2 new ones of them. So I've undone all of these 14 mils, these high pressure pipes. Now it looks like I've got to get the rail off because it covers the cam cover, and that looks like it's held on by this bolt here and this bolt here, and we've got a wiring loom plug over here. Right, so I've taken off the high pressure feed pipe. We've got 4 11mm nuts on here, and you've got these 2 little clamps that just hold the pipe, that just pull off. And then just work this up loose, take the high pressure sensor off there, and then that will just come up. So that's our high pressure fuel pipes. I'll probably just block that off because it keeps emptying out, but you want to keep these as clean as possible. So using our bin bench, I've just laid out some nice clean paper, and then hopefully that will stay nice and clean. So I've taken off that panel there, which is that, it just slides out. The other one over the other side, and I've undone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10mm bolts. Get this panel out here. I thought I was going to have to take the wipers off and the rest of the scuttle panel just to get to the strut brace, but it looks like this just slides out. Luckily, there's a little clip there I've got to take off. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get the cam cover out without taking the strut brace off, but I'll probably have to take that off anyway. We'll see. So we've got this off by putting a little clip out sideways, so I haven't got to touch them bits there. So that's all right, that is off and out the way. Now I've got to take the wiring loom off for all of these coil packs. I'll probably label where they come from. So I've taken the surround from the Vanos unit off, which is just a plug. Little surround 2 bolts. I'm told these are stretch bolts, so I've got 2 new ones of them. So that's just sat over there nicely. So everything out of there is out of the way. So what have we got left? We've got some pipes here, oil lines that I've just got to move out of the way. 12 volt lead which I pulled off. I've just got to pull off there, and from down there I think there's not much left to take off. So interestingly, it looks like this cam cover has been off before, because down here there's a bolt there that looks like it's slightly rounded out, where a lazy person didn't take this bolt out here. I was just trying to get it down there. So I assume that someone's probably changed the cam cover gasket before and it hasn't fixed the issue. So yeah, luckily we're not doing that, and we're replacing the cam cover. So that's now off. Everything is off that needs to be off. That's just gonna float around. We're gonna now buzz all the bolts out that hold this down. So all the bolts are out now. Had to bite the bullet and take out strut brace because it wouldn't come up high enough to get it out. But it looks like we are coming out. So we're off. We've cleaned up all the areas around and all around here. Annoyingly, oil keeps dripping onto this surface, but I'm going to just clean it off and then hopefully put the cover down. So I've got the new rocker cover in place loosely. I just want to go around and just double check the seal's in place and it hasn't dislodged. It was quite a bit of a bugger to get in here, under this cable, around these pipes, under the wiper motor and in the hull as well. So you just want to make sure it hasn't nicked the seal. So just check all the way around. All the way around, all the way around. That seems pretty good to me. And we'll tighten these down in a sequence as well. And we can build it back up. So we've nipped all these up now, all these bolts. And now we're going to use a torque wrench, they're 8.5 Newton meters. We'll go in sequence that it says. Sequence, not sequins. Get it right. Yeah, we'll just buzz these down quick. So now they're all torqued up. I've marked every one that I've torqued just to make sure, because there's so many of them. We're just going to go around and just loosely put everything in so I can bolt it back up. I've brought the wiring loom over and put everything in. Got the fuel injector wire in, the coil pack wire in. They're quite easy to put in. You literally just lift that up, put that in, push it down, and then the fuel injector wiring just clicks into place. Then we've got a little earth there we need to put on, and also little bolts here that I took out for no reason whatsoever because I thought you had to take them out. So the fuel rail is on loosely. I'm going to go around and just put these 11 mils back in. So now it's pretty much just to build up, put everything back on, this rubber cover, this bit of rubber going across here. At the moment I'm just putting the wiper blade back on. I think that's it. Got the cover to go back on. Annoyingly, this is the first time it's ever happened to me. I've actually lost a 10mm socket. The long one's there, the short one. I'm hoping I can find it on the under tray because I don't remember using it anywhere apart from this bolt here. So I'm hoping it's just fallen off. Try and find it somewhere. But yeah, we'll go up in the air and try and find that. So I tapped on here, it felt something heavy. So I sort of thought that might be my 10mm socket. But I reached in and found this. No idea what that is, like from a bit of scaffolding or something. Now it's just sat under here rattling around. So, not my 10mm socket. I was getting excited, but it's not. Right, I'm going to go for the first start. And put it back together. See what it sounds like. Oh, so I've been hunting for ages for this 10mm socket. I've looked everywhere. I've had the under tray off underneath. I've had everything out, and then just having one last look. Oh my god, I've actually found it. I don't know if you can see that. Right under the inlet manifold, that chrome shininess is my 10mm socket. Somehow it's dropped down under the inlet manifold. I've no idea how I'm going to get that out, but I'm going to try. Yes! You don't understand how happy I am to find that. Oh, I just used a long extension, poked it down there, picked it up. Back in you go, mate. Yes! I can sleep well tonight now.